How to add background or put background in CapCut PC. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can put background on CapCut PC. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let's go through this video. In order to add or put background on CapCut PC, what you can do is simply go ahead and open up CapCut and head over the project. There now what you can do is you can simply select the file and lay it on top. Now, in order to upload it, you can simply tap on media, tap on import and go ahead and import the background, right? So you can see I have this and I have the particular background here. Make sure the background is on the below side, not at the top. Make the video that you wish to add the background to at the top and the background lower down below. Now you can see I'll add this right here, and now I'll add this as a background. Now you have to use the blend mode in order to blend these two. So what you can do is you can simply go ahead and select here, and you can see the blend mode. You want to enable it, right? Then once you have enabled the blend mode, now here for this video I have enabled blend mode. So I'll change the opacity here. I'll increase the opacity. But for this one, I'll simply tap on blend, select blend, and then go first click on the clip, right? Then you'll get these options, head into video. From here, scroll down and find blend, and you can choose the default here. So you can either use darken here, which will be much better, and you can change the opacity right here this way, so you can see here, right? This is how you can change your background. Now this is not perfect. I'm just showing you here for the tutorial's sake. You can also use the overlay, which will be much more better. So you can see here, change the opacity a bit, and now it should be crystal clear. So this is how you can change the opacity. So this is how you can change the background on CapCut PC. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.